knowing how to do a basic car wash at home can go a long way towards maintaining your car. Now, the car wash that I'm going to show you is one that I do very often, and products very minimal, but it's very effective. If you are very picky about scratching your paint, this might not be the one for you. I'm not so terribly picky, but I like simplicity and I like to keep it inexpensive. So first, we're gonna need some car wash soap. So I like to use this stuff. It's Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Car Wash. I just call it the pink stuff. It's inexpensive, available at most auto parts stores, and it does a great job. That's for car wash. Okay, now you need something to, spread it around. They say use a wash mitt, and you can use a microfiber wash mitt. I have used those, but what I really prefer is this towel. This is a bunny soft towel. That's what I call it, a bunny soft towel that I get at the dollar store. It's pure polyester microfiber, and it works fantastic for washing a car. You can even do a little bit of scrubbing without scratching the paint. So I love this. Now, yeah, it doesn't have a fully, finished edge. It's got a little bit of, fabric on the edge. If you rub, you're going to scratch your paint. So again, if you're really picky about this, you might use the car wash mitt instead. For the wheels, I'm going to use this basic microfiber cloth. It's really thin, but for the wheels, it gets all dirty anyways. And so I don't want to just use anything that can get dirty and get worried about. Now, I'm not doing a real detail thing on the wheels or the tires today. We're just doing a basic car wash, so that's fine. For drying the car, I'm going to use the thicker microfiber towels. These are plush on one side and fine on the other side. And you'll see how I use this to dry it. I have multiples of them. I don't just have one. And you'll see why. It works great, and I like it better than the drying towels that most people use. The drying towels, they don't seem to work all that well for me. I prefer a pack of regular old microfiber towels. Now, remember in the title I said that there's also going to be a shine, and that's optional. You can just do the car wash with just the products I've shown you right here and dry it, and you're great. But if you want a little bit extra shine and perhaps make it last, the shine last a little bit longer, maybe protect the paint a little bit, what I'm going to use is this. This is Turtle Wax Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer. It's the part of their hybrid series, and this is excellent. Now, I do have the ceramic coating from Turtle Wax on the car, but it's been since probably last September since I applied it, or maybe, 9 months ago. Okay, so it's been a long time ago. So this will renew it a little bit, and it'll last a little bit to bead the water and stuff like that, because the water beading is kind of going away because, well, it's been a long time since I applied the last coating. But this helps out, and if you don't have any coating on, this will really, really help make it kind of bead the water and shine a little bit more. Now, to apply, I am going to use some gloves. I do have some nitrile gloves that I'm going to use because I don't like it getting on my hands too much. And I'm going to use a very plush towel. This is where I really do worry about scratching the paint, so I use a better towel. This is an edgeless towel, very thick, and I do like these microfiber towels for applying the spray coating. Or not spray coating, it's a detailer. Okay, so that's it. That's all the products I'm going to use. And we're going to use one bucket. Oh, and one more. I'm also going to use this ladder because I have a taller vehicle and I can't really reach the vehicle top without a ladder. I'm not super tall and the vehicle's quite tall, so I'm going to need a ladder. So let's get to it. Of course, you're going to need a bucket to do the wash, and I like to add a lot of soap. So let me add some soap. You can see I added quite a bit of soap in there. The trick is to use some warm water. I'm not going to use regular cold water, and you can use cold water. It's actually made for cold water with this soap product, but I like to use warm water, and I think it does a better job. That's about right. I got about 3 gallons in this 5-gallon bucket, so that's about good for this car wash. almost done. I got almost the entire car done with the quick detailer now too, to shine it up. I'm just going to do the hood to show you. The quick detailer needs to be shaken. Make sure you shake before you use it. And again, I'm using the wet cloth, dry cloth. Now, actually, what I do is I usually just start with the dry cloth, but it gets damp because you use so much detailer. So this is now the wet cloth because it got damp from the detailer, and you use that first and then you dry with the dry cloth. And I've gotten through almost the whole car with just two cloths like that. If you need a third one or a fourth one, yeah, I have some available. But yeah, today I was able to get by mostly with two cloths. So let's see how that goes. I think you get the idea there. You wipe it until it's dry, because then you leave no streaks and whatnot. Now, it's best to do this in the garage, but I did have to start outside because I cannot reach the top of my car in my garage to do the quick detailer. So I did start outside. Now, luckily, I have a cool day. It's mostly cloudy, about 75. Actually, it's down to 70 now, and breeze and low humidity. So kind of ideal for doing car work and polishing. All right, I just one more detail here. You can use this quick detailer not just on the paint, but also on the plastic. So I can use this on the headlights and the bumpers and stuff like that too. There you go. That's it. You can see it's a pretty shiny car. And for most people, this is the type of thing that you want to do. That quick detailer really gives that shine and that pop and does add a little bit of protection. And that particular brand, the Turtle Wax Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer, I think is the best on the market right now. But you can experiment. There are other ones out there. Same with the car wash. But good luck, have fun, and shine up your car.